Hello, Ricky the One Singing. I'm going to teach you how to crack your mid-back by sitting straight up, crossing your leg, and using your elbow as leverage to push away for the back crack. Alright, let me show you how it's done. It's pretty simple. First of all, sit down like so. Legs laying down. One foot up across your knee. And then use your elbow to push away and use this hand as a stabilizer. So when you push it, you should hear the crack. 1, 2, 3. Same for the other side. Foot over the knee. Elbow right here. Hand as a stabilizer, and then use this elbow to push away. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Please consult your physical therapist, chiropractor, doctor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.